Hello, I'm Anna, and I'm going to walk you through how to use the data dictionary in ScopeMaster. ScopeMaster automatically detects users and object names from your user stories and displays them in the users and objects view. This is your auto-detected data dictionary. Occasionally, you may need to supplement this dictionary with your own terms. You can do this by clicking on the Add to Dictionary button. Stories containing these new words will need to be reanalyzed to identify the new term as an object or user. If you agree with ScopeMaster's detection of a term for an object, you confirm it either from the CRUD analysis view or the users and objects view. This unlocks the option to mark a missing CRUD event as OK. Once you have confirmed an object, it will appear with a different background in all of ScopeMaster's views. If you are working on user stories about integration to another system, remember that the other system can be considered as a user and you can add its name to the dictionary. We saw how ScopeMaster detects users and objects from your backlog of user stories. We also saw how you can supplement ScopeMaster's dictionary with custom terms to match the taxonomy of your business. Remember to reanalyze stories after adding custom terms. Finally, we saw that when you confirm ScopeMaster's detected terms, you can build up a data dictionary of your own choosing. Thanks for watching.